Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be doing a very interesting video for you guys. I'll be interviewing one of the most successful persons that I know. This person is somebody who started a business from nothing to something very successful right now. So it's aimed to be inspiring, motivating, and definitely aimed to encourage somebody who's trying to start a business. If it is the first time you're watching one of our videos, please subscribe, share, and don't forget, leave a comment. So stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back. So I'm here, as I said, with one of the most successful persons that I know, and that's Mr. Winston Green. So Winston is the owner of Winston Health and Fitness, which is a really huge gym here in Grande Prairie, Canada. It's personally our gym, and it's not because we get to come for free. It's because he actually has not only some of the best equipment, but also some of the best advice that if you're looking to lose weight, if you're looking to gain weight, if you're looking to just be fit, he's right. So let's jump into it. So Winston, there are a lot of persons watching this video right now. What would you say? Who is Winston Green?
Well, Winston Green, I was born in Jamaica. I was raised in Montreal. I came to Grande Prairie in 1985.
Okay.
And I worked for another gym. And to make a long story short, I ended up opening my own in 89. So I've had the gym since 1989.
I'm as old as 1989.
There you go.
I was born in 1989. So why did you choose to open a gym though? Of all business, what motivated you to open a gym?
Actually, a friend of mine convinced me to open it because in Montreal I do professional photography.
Okay.
And the idea was to come to Grande Prairie, work for a year, then go back to Montreal, open up a photo studio. But he convinced, I was here for 4 years before I opened up the gym, so he convinced me I should stay because everyone knows who I am and I won lots of championships and so on. So I opened it up and I'm still here.
Well, thankfully you're still here. You mentioned that you won a lot of championships. What did you compete in?
Most of my competition is done in Eastern Canada. So down in Montreal, Quebec, I won everything in Canada at least 3 times. Oh. I won 4 Canadian bodybuilding championships. So.
Okay.
And I was 6th in the world bodybuilding championship.
Okay, so for all the persons watching this video, I really hope that you guys don't use me as a judge to judge the success of Winston's accomplishment, because actually I'm a very poor student. Let me just throw that out. So in terms of business, right, Winston? Say somebody watching this video right now and they're thinking of starting a business. They're a little 50-50 about it. They're not sure. Should I not? What advice do they have to give that person?
First question is, why are they doing the business? Are they doing it because it's a labor of love, or they're doing it to make money? And if they're doing it to make money, numbers, you got to do your numbers. You got to do your homework, do your homework. And it's the same thing too. If it's a labor of love, in order to keep the business going, it's labor. It's the numbers. And once you do your numbers, and then you give the best service possible to everyone that walks into the door. You make everyone feel at home, everyone feel comfortable, and you give them the best service. Yeah. Okay,
so customer service essentially is like
number one.
It's number one.
Yeah.
And after customer service is just the numbers, as you said. I do it for love, not to make money.
Well, you do it for making money, because if you don't make money, you're not going to be in business.
Right,
business is making money, period. So you want to make money doing it.
So you mentioned that you were born in Jamaica.
Yeah.
And you moved here as old as I am. You have this gym, so you've been here like for umpteen years.
Forever. Yeah.
So probably being Jamaican, essentially birthright Jamaican, and then being an adopted Canadian. For persons primarily like Jamaicans who are back home and they're deciding that they're thinking that okay, then we want to immigrate to Canada. Is there a specific advice you'd have to give them in terms of adjusting to a new environment as a Canadian environment? And also, I know that you've been here a long time, but in terms of adjusting for you, what was that like?
It was quite easy for me to adjust because when I was in Montreal, I came as a child, so I guess it's quite easy for me to adjust. Same thing when I came to Grande Prairie, it was easy for me to adjust because I've been living in the system for a long time.
Yes.
So as for, I didn't come up as a grown-up.
Okay.
So as someone that coming here as a grown-up, for them to adjust to the system is basically the advice is to adapt. Adapt to your environment. You're not, you're not in Jamaica or you're not in the Bahamas anymore. You're come to Canada, so you adapt to lifestyle.
Well, you're an adopted Canadian, but what would you say you miss more about Jamaica?
What the food? Food is so good. The food.
Oh man.
Yeah. And the lifestyle is quite different because it's less stressful than living here.
Okay.
Like way less stressful.
Care to elaborate? Like in what aspect?
It depends because here people work around the clock. In Jamaica, 9 to 5, you're good. You know, if you work 5-6 hours a day, you're done.
You're done.
You're done. And here it's quite different. You just work harder here because the cost of living is high. So in order to maintain your lifestyle, you have to work in order to maintain it.
Yeah. I thought you'd have said the weather actually.
Well, and then that's another thing. The weather is something different.
Here in Grande Prairie, you get 2 weeks of summer.
2 weeks if we're lucky.
2 weeks if
As
we're
you
lucky.
notice, we haven't had a weekend, eh?
So in Grande Prairie, you get every weather. So you get rain, you get snow, you get a little bit of sun, you get everything.
Everything.
In contrast to Jamaica, it's just sun and rain, and it's mostly sun. So that's good. So adjusting to the weather, you've been here as a child, so that's like all you know pretty much. Yeah.
You know the weather, yeah.
But for somebody who's just coming, the weather might be like a slap in the face. Like
you'll adjust.
Is it as cold as we think it was? Like
it's really hard to explain to someone how cold it gets. Okay. You could show them pictures, you could explain it to them. It's really, really hard.
Yeah, and
once you experience it, it's a different story.
And I remember last winter we got that cup of hot water and we went outside and we threw it up and it was like poof, and we were like, what? It just disappeared.
Cold. Oh yeah.
Oh man. So one last question, Winston. This is geared towards all our viewers, our subscribers who are really tuning in, and I could not finish this interview without asking this last question. Is it worth it migrating to Canada?
Yes, it is, because there's a lot of things you could do here that you can't do, say, in Jamaica. You can't. You have more opportunities. There's always work to do. The big thing is, when you think you should have some more time off, you can't because you have to go to work, right? Okay, you could own a home, you could have a nice truck, but payments and the bills and all that stuff come in every month, and they have to be paid. So you have to work harder, but it's worth it.
It's worth it.
It's worth it.
Well, thank you so much for your time. Definitely, I appreciate it. I would shake your hand if it wasn't illegal.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. You know where the cake is? The cake? You know the brewery right beside it?
Yes.
It used to be right upstairs. It's a little bit smaller than this upstairs. But it used to be right up there. But yeah, I could tell you the story of me owning a gym here. It's nothing that I want to do. My whole goal was to go back to Montreal and do photography. That's it. And bodybuilding is just what I do for fun. Yeah. I just want to get in shape and look good for the girls. That's all I want.